We are going to calculate the time light takes to travel from the sun to the earth. In order for us to do so, this is our sun and this is the earth. The distance between the sun and the earth, which is called an astronomical unit, abbreviated AU, is approximately 150 million kilometers. So from the sun to the earth, there is 150 million kilometers. Since we need to find out the time light takes to travel from the sun to the earth, it is necessary for us to know the speed of light. The speed of light, which is abbreviated as c, is approximately 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second, which is 300 million meters per second. In order for us to find out the time which light takes to travel from the sun to the earth, we are going to use proportion. So this is going to be our method number 1. We need to understand what the speed of light c entails. C, which is approximately 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second, which is 300 million meters per second. What does this speed mean? This speed means that in 1 second, light travels a distance of 300 million meters. What we need to find out is how much does light travel in a distance of 150 million kilometers, the astronomical unit, which is the distance between the sun and the earth. So first of all, we need to convert this 300 million meters into kilometers. In order for us to convert 300 million meters into kilometers, we are going to divide by 1,000. So these 3 zeros will cancel out. We now have 1 second being proportionally equivalent to 300,000 kilometers. So in a second, light travels for 300,000 kilometers. We now need to find out how many seconds does light take to travel a distance of 150 million kilometers. And you should remember, this is the astronomical unit, which is the distance between the sun and our dear earth. So these are our proportional statements. 1 second, 300 kilometers. We need to find out how many seconds for 150 million kilometers. So x is representing our unknown. We are then going to convert this side into a fraction. It becomes 1 over x is equal to this side again, 300,000 over 150 million. When you write your proportional statements, you should make sure that your first statement is correct or it is true. In 1 second, light travels a distance of 300,000 kilometers. We now need to find out how many seconds does light need to travel a distance of 150 million kilometers, which is our astronomical unit. Solving this equation, this 0 cancels out with this one. The same happens here. This and this also, and this. So we are left with 3 over 1 300,500, of which 3 into 3 it's 1, 3 into 15 it's 5, into 0 it's 0, and into 0 it's 0. 1 over x is equal to 1 over 500. Then using the method of cross multiplication, this means that 1 is going to multiply 500 and 1 is also going to multiply x. 1 times 500 is 500 and 1 times x is x. This means that light requires simply a second to travel a distance of 300,000 kilometers. Light requires 500 seconds to travel a distance of 150 million kilometers. So we need to convert these 500 seconds into minutes. It becomes 500 seconds divided by 60. Since we have 60 seconds in a minute, this 0 cancels out with this one. 6 into 6, that is 1. 6 into 50, that is 8. Since 8 times 6 is 48, a remainder of 2 over 6. So light requires 8 minutes and 2 over 6 of a minute to travel from the sun to the earth. So simplifying this, it is actually 8 minutes. Then 6 into 6, that is 1. 6 into 6, it's 1. 10 times 2, it's 20. So light requires 8 minutes, 20 seconds travel from the sun to the earth. So if you were traveling at the speed of light and you wanted to go to the sun, your journey will take 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Let us try out a second method. And for our second method, we are going to use our conventional way of calculating time when we have the speed and the distance. We know from this triangle that speed is equal to distance over time. We are required to find the time which light takes to travel from the sun to the earth. So time then becomes equal to distance over speed. So time is equal to distance over speed. What is our distance? The distance is the astronomical unit 150 million kilometers. What is the speed? The speed is the speed of light, which is 300,000 kilometers per second. In 1 second, light travels for 300,000 kilometers or 300 million meters. So if we cancel out 0 with 0, 0 with 0, 0 with 0 again, the same happens here. We are left with 1,500 over 3. The kilometer cancels out again. 3 into 3, that is 1. 3 into 15 is 5. Into 0 it's 0, and into 0 it's 0. So here we have 500 seconds. And converting 500 seconds by dividing with 60, we are eventually going to get 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Thank you.